everybody, welcome to Angelina Fashions. Today I am going to show you how to make a super easy zipper pouch. For this pouch we need some fabric, interface and one zipper. We can make it in any size and this will be very helpful for kids to keep their stationaries. Now let's see how to make this project. I have ironed interface with the fabric. I closed both the edges of the zipper with the fabric. Keeping the right side of the fabric and the zipper, do the first straight stitch. Always adjust zipper position to maintain a straight line stitches. Once the zipper is attached with the fabric, there should be a top stitch. Once it is done, do the same with the other fabric. Whenever attaching a zipper, right sides will be facing each other. Do top stitch for the second side also. Now turn the fabric inner side out and close all the three edges. Trim off sides and corner and turn the pouch right side out. Now the pouch is ready.